If you're looking for healthier hair, stronger nails, or clearer skin, you may be wondering whether it's worth buying a hair, skin, and nails vitamin. Depending on its ingredients, taking one of these supplements could help strengthen your hair and nails or improve skin concerns such as acne. Nature's Bounty Extra Strength Hair, Skin, and Nails is a great option if you're looking for a multivitamin that's also formulated to support healthy hair, skin, and nails. Among the many vitamins incorporated in this supplement is vitamin A, which can aid in collagen production and may help improve acne symptoms. This product also contains another potential acne fighter, vitamin D. Vitamin B12. For those with a deficiency, vitamin B12 may help with nail discoloration and skin pigmentation changes. Too much vitamin B12 can negatively affect hair, skin, and nails. Paraminobenzoic Acid, PABA. Also known as vitamin B10, PABA helps absorb UVB rays associated with sunburn and DNA damage, so it may help protect your skin. PABA may also help with the repigmentation of graying hair. Hyaluronic acid. This ingredient may help boost moisture in dry skin. This mineral supports collagen production in your body. Supplementing zinc may also help treat acne, especially if you don't get enough zinc from your diet. Alpha-lipoic acid. This naturally occurring compound may help fight the signs of aging in your skin. A herb used in Ayurvedic medicine, Gotu kola has been shown to have potent antioxidant properties. It's also used topically to help reduce the appearance of stretch marks. Common ingredients found in hair, skin, and nails vitamins. Biotin. One of the most popular ingredients found in hair, skin, and nails vitamins is biotin, a B vitamin that's thought to help with hair and nail growth. Vitamins A, D, and E. Vitamins A, D, and E are fat-soluble vitamins frequently found in hair, skin, and nails supplements due to their potential benefits, particularly for hair and skin. Vitamin A helps keep your hair and skin moisturized because it boosts the production of collagen, a protein that works with elastin, another protein, to support healthy-looking hair and skin. Research also suggests a potential link between acne and low levels of vitamin D, while vitamin E's antioxidant effects may help protect against hair and skin damage. Hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring substance that helps maintain hydration levels in your body. While it's commonly found in topical skincare products, oral intake of hyaluronic acid in doses of 120 to 240 milligrams per day has been shown to help improve skin moisture, especially in people with dry skin. Collagen. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the body. Studies have shown that taking collagen supplements may help reduce the signs of aging and improve skin hydration and elasticity. While not all supplements are created equal, some contain ingredients that may be beneficial for your hair, skin, and nails.